Good day everyone, my name is Rochelle Mendoza Agustin and this is my final project for Computer Programming 1. We will discuss a comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values if it's true or false. And if it's true, the result will be 1. And if it's false, the result will be 0. So we need a two integers or value or variables. X is equals to 5, semicolon, equals to 2. So we have a double equal sign, exclamation equal to sign, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to sign. So for example is x x is equal to y, and if we run it, the answer will be 0 because it's false, because x is not equal to y, and if we change the y, the answer will be, or the result will be 1 because it's true, x is equals to y. And we try other sign, exclamation equals to y, exclamation or equal to sign is the meaning of that is not equal. So for this example, if we run it, the answer will be 0 because it's false. Why false? Because 5 or x and y, it's equal to. The sign in this is, the sign that we enter is not equal, and if we run it, the result will be 0 because 5 is equal to 5, and if we change the y, the answer will be 1. It's true because 5 is not equal to 3, or x is not equal to 3. Gets? So we try other sign. I-try natin yung other sign, greater than. So x is greater than y. The answer will be 1. It's true because the x is greater than y, and if we change it, the answer will be 0 because it's false, because x is less than 10, and the problem in this is x is greater than y. But if we change it again, 5, if we run it, it's 1 because it's true. The x is greater than y, and other sign is less than. Run natin. It's 0 because 5 is greater than 2, and 5 is greater than 2, and if we change it, Run natin. It's 1 because it's true. It's true that x is less than y. Okay, other sign naman. Less than or equal to. If we run it 1. It's 1 because it's true. It's true kasi y is less than x. And if we change the x and 5, the answer will be 1. Why 1? Bakit 1? Because we have equal sign. Kahit na hindi siya mas mataas o hindi siya greater than. Hindi siya greater than or less than. Or hindi less than. X is not less than to y. It's true because of equal sign. And others. And if we change natin yung y ng 2. If we run it, the answer will be 0. It's false. It's false because x is not less than 2y. Okay, try natin yung greater than. Greater than or equal to. If we run it, the answer will be 1. Why 1? Because the x is greater than 2. Or x is greater than y. And if we change the y in 5, the answer will be 1, 2, or true. It's the same. True, y. Hindi man siya x greater than 5. We have equal sign. So, palitan natin yung x ng 3. The answer will be, or the result will be 0. It's false. Okay, it's false or 0 because the x is not greater than y. So, that's it. That's the comparison operators. So, our topic is variables and basic input-output. So, sa variables is dapat may variables name and value. So, specific. So, for our topic, and we need a variable, syempre. So, 3 variables na lang and fruits. Sige. 3 variables. So, int apple equals to 20. And semicolon. Int orange equals to 15. Semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon because pag wala yan, pwedeng mag-error yung code natin. So, next. Grapes equals to 30. Equals to 30, semicolon. And we need a input and output. So, cout. Try natin. Apple. Okay, wait. Sim. Apple. Ayan. Apple. So, try natin siyang i-run na run. So, okay. Out. This is the basic input output. Okay. Orange. orange. And next, last, out, grapes, grapes, grapes. So, run natin siya. Ito yung output natin. Siya na yung output natin. So, tama naman. Apple, 20. Orange, 15. Grapes, 30. So, run natin ulit. That's it. Thank you. So, that's the variables and basic input output. Thank you.